powered by the unique partnership of Legrand and Superior Essex Communications, two longtime leaders in innovative communications technology. nCompass Systems offers a streamlined suite of high-performance copper and optical fiber structured cabling and connectivity products. nCompass Systems includes everything that goes between two active components, whether that's a router and a server, a network-attached storage and a router, or between a router and an end user. All of the conductivity and cabling, including cabinets, patch cords, trunk cable, backbone cables, copper, and fiber, work together so the customer doesn't need to worry about it. All of our solutions have been pre-characterized and pre-qualified in laboratory environments, allowing us to explore worst-case scenarios and then use that information in our product developments. By anticipating the customer-introduced variables, we are able to assemble solutions focused on getting full performance levels over the entire duration of the future-proof solutions with extended lifetime warranties. nCompass Systems, your end-to-end solution provider for more than a decade.